Toddler Reading with me, Miss Maddie, and I'm so excited to read this book with you today. So get nice and cozy in your beds with your moms and your dads, and let's read this book together. Crunchy Munchy Cookies. Who likes cookies? Me. I love cookies. Now, should we see how many cookies there are? Yeah, okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cookies. Oh my gosh, that's so many cookies. Now, are we reading a big book or a small book? If you said big book, you're right. This is a very big book. Now, let's see what it's all about. Eggs, vanilla, chips, flour. We can make cookies in less than an hour. So fun, and looks like my cat's gonna join me for this video. Baking soda, salt, and butter too. A mixing bowl, medium size will do. Cream the butter, crack the eggs and beat. Add vanilla and sugar to make it sweet. Mix in the flour, watch the drips. Open the package and pour in the chips. Look at all those chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips. Oh, excuse me, Mongo. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Butter makes cookies soft to eat. Use a little to grease the sheet. The dough is ready. You're almost done. Spoon it out. Make a big one. That's such a big cookie. Oven's hot. Don't touch. Cookies are ready. I see that big cookie. Crunch and munch. The end. What a fun book. I love cookies so much. They're so fun to make. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.